Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we have some more writing news of interest for writers and publishers. This is for April 19, 2022, and the news comes from a really excellent reporting app called ScribeCount, which I did cover earlier in the year in this channel, comparing it to another popular service called Book Report. And what it does is ScribeCount allows you to visualize your sales for your books across different channels like Amazon, Barnes Noble, and Smashwords, and it looks a little like this on the dashboard view. And if you go into, if you click on a button, you can see more drilled down details. So it gives you nice flow charts, and hopefully you've actually made a sale, or in my case, because everyone wants my books for free, we'll just go over to the free book units, and ultimately you can see where you have all these different APIs and things. And yeah, there we go. It takes a little bit while for things to load in. You'll see that's gradually coming in. But anyway, this is ScribeCount, a really useful tool for those who just want to get an overview of how your books are doing without having to log into every platform or using systems that are kind of poor. And it is an app that you do pay for according to your sales. So if you're making under a certain value, you don't pay anything, but you'll eventually pay on tiers according to what your income is. And I think the cutoff is $500, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, I did a whole video on it, which I'll link in the description notes. But more importantly, going back to today's news, which by the way comes from a blog from ScribeCount that I will also link into my description if you give a chance to take a look. This new update introduces ad tracking, and what ad tracking is useful for is for those who use Facebook ads in particular, who find that it's a little difficult to be able to differentiate your spending from your earnings. And those of you who've taken certain online courses on how to learn how to do Facebook ads, as an author, you'll know that there's certain arts involved in order to really make it useful and easy to track. What ScribeCount does is it simplifies that process according to the update. And what's really interesting is because if you do want a visual for your ads, just like you have for your book sales and everything like that, then this is certainly an update that you're going to probably appreciate. And so what's important to know here is that this is just the first phase of several that they're going to be implementing into their different API ad tracking abilities. You'll notice that down here, this is the list of all the things that they plan to do. Facebook ad is what's finished now. Eventually they're going to get to Amazon ads. And what they describe in this blog is that they actually have a list of different things that they want to track as far as ads go, including BookBub. But they've taken it to a certain vote order. That's why Facebook ads is first. But this is one of those things where if you haven't checked out ScribeCount, this is a good time to get in and use it, because it is definitely starting to evolve as the go-to reporting app for authors and publishers if you're a publisher of multi-titles. And of course, the blog, it has a request that we share this information, because in order for it to get better, they need to be able to afford to pay their developers. So if you are an author and you haven't heard of ScribeCount yet, I definitely encourage you guys to go and give it a look. Again, it's free up to a certain income level, and even then it goes up very minimal. I think $25 is the most you'll ever spend per month to keep this. But yeah, again, you can go and check my older video to see some of the different ways in which it's used. Like, it gives you an overview of what your total earnings are on a certain book. You don't need to feel bad for me. This used to be zero a long time ago, so it's coming along. And you can see all the different tabs that are available here. But the analytics tab is, the ad tracking tab is going to be this new feature here in ad tracking. Now, you'll see that mine's empty. That's because I haven't run any ads yet, but I did recently, as of just before I started recording this video, I did connect my Facebook ad account to the platform. It's really easy. You literally just follow the prompts. You go over here in settings, and you'll go into the login. When you log in, you're going to have this option to agree to let ScribeCount connect with your Facebook. If you decide you don't want them to do that anymore, you just unsubscribe. It's very simple. They're also very clear in the blog article, like what data they actually need and what they're not going to use. So again, it's worth reading. But yeah, if you have any Facebook ads running and you wanted to simplify your ability to track it, here's what it will look like. And you can see an example. Again, if you read the blog, it's pretty intuitive. The data or the graphic interface, looks a little 2015, but that's okay. I mean, it's what's important here is that you're going to get reports and be able to find net earnings, which is what they care about. And really, it's just uses the ScribeCount typical interface in order to show your tracking. So to me, I think it's worth it. This is not the only platform I have that can track ads. In fact, a while back I had bought an app off of AppSumo called Ads You Need, which that is also going to be getting an update. Again, haven't used it because I haven't really started running ads yet, because I don't have the type of books yet that I think is going to be worth my money to spend on that. Because most of my series books are not quite ready for Showtime. Once I get the series books out, I'll probably take more time to give that a try. But again, this is going to hit all the 3 major networks for author advertisements, and I imagine they won't stop there. I'm sure they'll eventually get into other areas, like maybe YouTube. I mean, I don't know. Again, it's not on this list. I can't say that they will, but I don't know that they won't. TikTok maybe, for those of you who dare to go to TikTok, get not want to get sucked into that rabbit hole. That might be a possibility. There's different areas where I think this will be useful to most people. So I do encourage you guys to, again, check it out. And then if you like ScribeCount, do share it with your other writer friends, because they do want to get the word out as much as possible in order to increase their ability to develop it. So if you're interested in it, check it out. They do have an affiliate program. So if you have people who visit your blog on a regular basis who might be of interest in this particular program, see if you can get in on their affiliate program. Again, my traffic is not high enough I don't think I would probably pass the test, but you all can help me pass the test if you visit my site and show that you're interested in this type of content. But anyway, that's it for today. Very simple, very straightforward, very useful. And if this is something that you would like to share with your audience, go ahead and give a share link to Twitter, Facebook, your neighbor's dog petting service. I don't know. Wherever you think people will be have any interest in this particular software, or you can do the math. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll hopefully have some more news for other things as the future rolls in, and of course that's cryptic because I don't know what tomorrow will bring, and neither do you. But this is all the fun of getting information into your inboxes. People will tell you it's new, and then you can go find out for yourself and say, hey, I like this, I'm going to go share it with my friends. So hopefully you guys are my friends. I don't know. If you're just stumbling on this channel now, you probably think I'm a weirdo. That's okay. That's fine. But that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the things YouTubers tell you to do, and leave comments if you have anything useful to say about this. Let me know if you like this idea, if you're skeptical about it, if you've already tried it, you're way ahead of the curve, and you've known about this long before they ever reported it. Tell us what you think. And once again, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you'll continue to check out new videos as they arise. And that's it for now. So hope you all are having a good day. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.